Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to write a check. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to write an Emirates NBD check, what you need to do is first write the date. On the top corner, write the date. Use this format, which is date, month and year. So first comes date, next comes month, and next comes year. Then second, write the pay name. On the line that says pay, write the full name of the person or the company. Write it clearly and do not leave spaces before or after the name. Then third is write the amount in words. On the long line below the pay name, write the amount in words. Start close to the left side, then end with only. Draw a line after the words to prevent changes. Then write the amount in numbers. In the small box on the right, write the amount in numbers. Then make sure the words and numbers match exactly. The next is signing the check. Sign at the bottom right corner. Use the same signature registered with Emirates NBD. Do not sign anywhere else. Then cross the check, optional but recommended. Draw two parallel lines on the top left corner. This means the check must be deposited into a bank account and cannot be cashed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.